Welding can be used to fix auto bodywork, repair a gate, make an Art Deco chair, or create a garden sculpture. It can be a fascinating hobby or a full-time career. Skilled welders are always in demand, and earnings can be considerable. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best welding machine for beginners you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. YESWELDER Digital MIG 205DS MIG Welder. With the ability to weld using MIG, TIG, or stick processes, the YESWELDER MIG 205DS might seem a little intimidating for the beginner. In fact, it is surprisingly user-friendly. The required process is selected from a single button, and many setup functions are semi-automated. The YESWELDER MIG 205DS will run off 110 volt or 220 volt, making it a go-anywhere machine that can take full advantage of the flexibility offered by multi-process capability. It has a longer duty cycle than many similar welders, and it can weld up to 1/4 inch steel. The price is competitive, and this one has proven reliability. The only real drawback is that while it is TIG capable, the required TIG torch is not included in the price. Pros: can be used for MIG, TIG, and stick welding, good duty cycle, aluminum capability. Cons: TIG torch not included. Number 4. S7 Tig Welder. Beginners who want to try TIG welding will probably want to do so with minimum outlay, and the S7 TIG stick welder is a very affordable approach. It will run off a standard household supply or from a generator for those who want to use the stick process outdoors. It is light and very easy to carry around. At 85%, the duty cycle is the highest we have seen on any welder for beginners. Part of that is due to relatively low heat generation, and the maximum thickness in steel is 3/16 of an inch. It will also weld stainless but not aluminum. Considering the low price, there might be some concerns over durability. However, this is a very popular entry-level TIG welder, and feedback is largely positive. That said, the instructions provided aren't very clear. In general, we would recommend the help of a pro or a local class to get started with TIG welding anyway. Pros: TIG and stick processes, very lightweight, budget price. Cons: instructions could be improved. Number 3. Hobart 500,570 Stickmate 160i. While the stick welding technique is a little different than other arc welding processes, it is nevertheless easy to learn. The Hobart Stickmate makes an excellent choice as the best welding machine for beginners who need to weld outdoors or who need high-strength welds with minimal fuss. The Hobart Stickmate can run from 110 volt or 220 volt, making it easy to partner with a generator. It is among the more powerful of our selection and is capable of welding steel to a maximum of 3/8 inch thick. Although stick welding is often seen as a fast but relatively untidy process, the Hobart offers voltage adjustability in 1-degree increments, giving good control. It is lightweight and even comes with a carry strap. This is not a low-cost machine, yet it's competitive for its type and built for long-term productivity. Pros: robust build quality, dual voltage, includes a shoulder strap. Cons: significant investment for a beginner. Number 2. Forney YESWELDER 261. Our pick as the best flux core welder for beginners is a tool for those who want to invest in quality and durability from the start. The Forney YESWELDER 261 is a well-made machine that is easy to get to grips with. It offers the performance and portability that makes it attractive to those who weld on a regular basis. This welder plugs into a standard 110 volt outlet. Setup is simply a case of choosing voltage from the variable dial and setting feed speed, and it is ready to weld. While the speed has 10 settings, none of them are particularly fast. This is ideal for those learning to weld, but it can be a little frustrating for pros. The Forney YESWELDER can weld steel up to 1/4 inch thick, indoors or out. Like all flux core welders, it cannot weld aluminum. Pros: high-quality manufacture, easily transportable, competitive price. Cons: cannot weld aluminum. Number 1. Super Deal Pro Commercial MIG 130 AC Flux Core Wire. The Super Deal Pro is a budget-friendly flux core welder with the inherent simplicity that the process offers. It includes absolutely everything the beginner needs to start welding, including welding wire. It plugs into a standard outlet and can weld to a maximum of 3/16 inch in mild steel. Controls are basic. There are 4 voltage settings, and while the wire feed has 10 positions, speed is a question of trial and error. While that could be viewed as a useful way to learn, the lack of specifics might be frustrating for some. A weight of 38 pounds offers reasonable portability. However, with a minimum 50 amp output, it isn't a tool for delicate welding. Also, somewhat confusingly, although 130 is in the name, the maximum output is 120 amps. In real performance terms, it doesn't compete with the Hobart, but it is a practical way to start welding for those who have very little to invest. Pros: good value for money, weld indoors or out, includes mask, chipping hammer, brush, and wire. Cons: main body is plastic. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.